Hello everyone, welcome to Professional IAS. Today we are talking one important current affair related to disaster management. So we are talking about the sinking of a holiest city of Uttarakhand state, that is Joshimath. We are calling it as holiest because it houses two important Hindu pilgrimage sites, that is one is Badrinath, another one is Hemkund. Now what is the problem with regard to this city? One important statement has also been pronounced by the expert that if the authorities does not take swift action in order to restore this particular city, then this particular Joshimath city will be remembered in future as one of the submerged land, just how we remember with regard to the river Saraswati. Okay, that it existed like that, we remember or not like that. So the Joshimath should not face the same fate. That is what we are trying to just awaken the people here. Now, with regard to this Joshimath topography, it actually lies in the land subsidence zone. Land subsidence zone is nothing but a zone of land which generally is like this, okay, may subside in future. All the homes, residential buildings, water facilities, forests, etc. are all here. When it subsides, what will happen? All of this will drop off and it will nothing but a coming disaster in making, you can say like that. Nothing but when a land subsidence zone you are living, it is very vulnerable to landslides. Means wherever if you are living in your home, no, suddenly half of the house of yours will be slided down. Means it is completely dissociated from your house. How it will be, just imagine the situation here. So that is what is called as land subsidence zone. And the reasons, when the locals were asked why this particular kind of vulnerability is being seen in the Joshimath city, they have given out various pointers that we need to know in order to write something in the mains examination. For the first of all, they told that it is a rampant development activities are going on in the Joshimath city. Second one is Modi's developmental activities are also going on very rapidly in this area, though for the good, but does not actually evaluated with regard to the ecosystem consequences. Third one is lot of tourists are coming to this particular Joshimath, and for that purpose for their homes, for their stay, for their going out for their vacation, lot of infrastructure, hotels and resorts are coming up. Nothing but lot of construction activities are happening. Fourth of all is this particular Joshimath is flooded, or you can see that luckily it is drained by lot of perennial rivers. And the perennial rivers always make the rock soft, so the possibility of this particular soft can be to be broken is very normally possible is there. And the fifth one here is the rock structure of Joshimath. If you see, it is like basically a weathered rock. It is not completely cohesive like that. It is little bit cracky rocks are there in the Joshimath. And one more important reason given by the locals here is, the NTPC is also building one important hydrogen power plant there. Because of that, also lot of transportation, logistic, movements are happening, which will also making the city very vulnerable. So it is very important that these points you remember. And according to ISRO also, ISRO has got its arm National Remote Sensing Center. According to that particular institute, and according to their reports, the subsidence of this particular Joshimath land was very slow in 2022. But in 2023 January, it has subsided by 5.3 centimeter. 5.3 centimeter could be of your palm size. It means what your house, whatever your house is there, it has subsided down to what 5 centimeter. It will definitely impact and develop cracks in your home. So it is very important that the authorities should take the swift action. And obviously the response of the government of Uttarakhand was also very swift. In this case, they have immediately stopped all the construction activities near that particular area. But that is not enough. A multi-pronged developmental and environmental friendly strategies need to be implemented. A committee should be appointed, advisory committee, which recommends how the development activity can go in consonance with the environmental conservation. And those who have been suffering from this particular landslides, they have to be rehabilitated. Their construction, whatever is broken down, should be renovated, compensation given to them. And you might be aware of this fact that it is also saddening. Lot of Uttarakhand localites are also moving away from that particular area and they are going to reside in some other area. If this goes on happening, it will unnecessarily create panic and trauma in the individuals and the household.